What if a small machine sitting in a corner of your home could turn plain pieces of wood into products people happily pay premium prices for, again and again? No big workshop, no years of experience, just smart tools and simple steps. Today, many people are quietly earning steady income from home using compact woodworking machines that cost far less than most expect. In this video, you'll see how everyday wood is turned into real cash, one powerful machine at a time. Before we begin, let me know in the comments if you have ever started a business from home. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 1. Telescopic miter saw. This machine is often the first serious step into making money with woodworking from home. The telescopic miter saw is all about clean and precise cuts, and that precision is what makes customers trust your work. When wood is cut perfectly, the final product looks expensive, even if the material is cheap. What makes this saw special is its sliding telescopic system, which lets you cut wider boards, moldings, and panels without losing accuracy. This means you can work on frames, shelves, lamp bases, and small furniture parts, even in a small home space. You do not need a big workshop or advanced skills to use it well. The investment is very reasonable, usually between $150 and $400, depending on size and brand. A simple set of wooden frames that costs around $10 in wood can easily sell for $50 to $80 with a clean finish. This machine helps you produce professional-looking items that people are happy to pay for. Stay tuned, because the next machines are where the real profits start showing up, especially for people working from home with limited space. Machine 2. Mini Table Saw. This turns any small room into a functional woodworking workspace. This is the machine that helps you cut wood into exact sizes, which is extremely important if you want your products to look professional and consistent. It also helps reduce waste, so you save money on materials. This saw has a fixed circular blade built into a compact table. You slide the wood across the surface to get long, straight, and even cuts. With a side guide, you can repeat the same measurements again and again, which is perfect for batch production at home. It runs on normal household power and does not take up much space. Most models cost between $100 and $300, making it very beginner-friendly. With this machine, you can make cutting boards, trays, phone stands, lamp bases, and shelf parts. A cutting board that costs very little to make can sell for $30 to $50, especially with a nice finish or customization. Machine 3. Handheld Router. This is the tool that turns simple wooden pieces into products that look high-end. It adds smooth curves, clean edges, and decorative details that people instantly notice. This visual upgrade increases value without adding much cost or time. This compact machine works with different router bits that spin at high speed to shape the wood. You can round edges, carve grooves, create decorative lines, and smooth corners. It is easy to handle, does not need much space, and works perfectly in a home setup. Even beginners can learn to use it quickly. The price is very affordable, usually between $60 and $150. The profit impact is huge. A basic shelf that costs very little to make can sell for $70 to $80 just because of its clean, styled edges. You can also make frames, boxes, kitchen items, and decorative pieces that look premium and sell faster. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 4. Desktop Laser Engraver. This is one of the strongest tools for increasing value through personalization. It turns simple wooden items into products that feel custom and high-end, which customers are always willing to pay more for. This machine uses a laser beam to mark designs, names, logos, and patterns onto wood with extreme precision. You upload a digital design, adjust the settings, and the machine does the rest. Desktop models are compact, easy to use, and designed to work in a home environment using standard power. The price usually ranges from $250 to $600. The profit potential is impressive. A plain cutting board costing $10 to $15 can sell for $40, $60, or even $90 once engraved. Small items like keychains cost very little to make, but can sell for $5 to $10 each. This machine creates steady daily income through customization. Machine 5. Mini Wood Lathe. This opens the door to one of the most profitable niches in woodworking. It allows you to create perfectly round and detailed wooden pieces that cannot be made with regular tools. These items are highly valued, and customers are willing to pay premium prices for them. The machine works by spinning the wood while you shape it using simple tools. This creates smooth curves, clean symmetry, and elegant designs. Modern mini lathes are compact, work on standard home power, and fit easily into small workshops. The investment usually ranges from $200 to $500, which is very reasonable for the profit potential. With this machine, you can make table legs, rolling pins, knife handles, vases, and decorative items. A set of 4 wooden legs can sell for $50 to $100, while the wood cost is extremely low. This makes each sale highly profitable and in constant demand. Number 6. Handheld Electric Planer. This is one of the smartest tools for anyone who wants to keep material costs low while increasing profits. Its main job is to flatten and smooth rough or uneven wood, even boards that look damaged or unusable at first. This gives you the advantage of turning cheap or recycled wood into high-quality material. Inside the machine, fast-spinning blades remove thin layers of wood with each pass. You control the depth, direction, and speed, which lets you fix warping, scratches, and surface damage quickly. The tool is lightweight, easy to handle, and perfect for a home workshop setup. Most reliable models cost around $80, making it a low-risk investment. With this machine, you can buy rough boards for as little as $10, restore them in minutes, and turn them into premium-looking wood. This directly increases profit margins, since your material cost stays low, while your selling price stays high. If this video is giving you real ideas you can actually use, make sure to like the video and subscribe, because more practical income tools are coming next. Number 7. Electric Random Orbital Sander. This plays a huge role in how valuable your final product looks. In woodworking, the finish is everything. Even a well-built item can lose value if the surface feels rough or uneven. This machine helps you create smooth, clean surfaces that instantly look professional. It works using a combination of spinning and gentle movement, which removes scratches without leaving marks. This makes the wood ready for paint, varnish, or natural finishes. The tool is lightweight, easy to control, and perfect for small home spaces. You do not need special training to get good results quickly. Prices usually start around $40, with better models between $60 and $120, and high-quality versions up to $150. A properly sanded piece can sell for up to 30% more profit than one with a poor finish. Shelves, tables, and decor items all look more expensive with smooth surfaces, helping you sell faster and at higher prices. Number 8. Pocket Hole Jig Kit. This may look simple, but it has a huge impact on how professional your furniture looks. It allows you to create strong, hidden joints that give products a clean and modern appearance, even if you are new to woodworking. The jig guides your drill at the perfect angle, creating a small hidden hole where screws sit inside the wood. This creates solid connections without visible brackets or hardware. The result is furniture that looks smooth, modern, and high-end. This is one of the cheapest tools on the list, with prices ranging from $4 to $100. The profit results are powerful. Furniture made with hidden joints sells for much more. A simple desk that costs $30 to $50 in materials can sell for $150 to $250, making this small tool a serious profit booster. Number 9. Jigsaw. This is the tool that gives you creative freedom and helps you stand out in the market. While many woodworking tools focus on straight cuts, this machine allows you to create curves, shapes, and custom designs that instantly attract attention. Customers are willing to pay more for items that feel personal and unique. The jigsaw works with a fast-moving blade that cuts as you guide it by hand. This makes it easy to create letters, symbols, patterns, and detailed outlines. It is lightweight, easy to control, and ideal for home workshops with limited space. Even beginners can learn to use it quickly. This is one of the most affordable machines, usually costing between $10 and $50. The profit potential is strong. Decorative signs made from $3 worth of wood can sell for $20 to $35. When you add paint or varnish, the value increases even more. Custom orders bring steady income and repeat customers. Number 10. Pneumatic or electric nail gun. This is all about speed and efficiency. Time is money, and this tool dramatically reduces the time needed to assemble wooden products. What once took minutes with a hammer now takes seconds. This machine secures joints quickly and cleanly, creating strong connections with consistent results. You can choose between pneumatic models that use an air compressor or electric versions that plug directly into a wall outlet. Compact models are perfect for home workshops and very easy to use. Most nail guns cost between $70 and $150, making them a smart investment. The real profit comes from faster production. With this tool, you can produce shelves, crates, drawers, frames, and furniture structures much faster. This allows you to take more orders and deliver quickly. Faster work leads to higher daily income without increasing material costs, which directly boosts overall profit. Woodworking is no longer just a skill passed down over time. Today, it is a real opportunity to build steady income from home with the right tools and smart choices. You do not need a large workshop or expensive equipment to get started. Even a small investment can turn into strong profits when you focus on quality, speed, and value. Choose one machine, start small, and improve with every project. Every cut, every finish, and every sale moves you closer to consistent income. The most important step is starting. Build something today and turn your effort into real cash tomorrow. Comment down, "I will start business today." And if you found value in this list, like the video, share it with someone thinking about starting a business, and subscribe for more practical machine-based ideas. Leave a comment if you have questions. I read every one. I will see you in the next video.